Reverse pattern manual turbo 400. Park first, second, third, second, first, park. where are you guys going?
Well, on next Saturday, we're going to be Coconut Marketplace.
Oh, okay, okay.
From 10 to 4 o'clock.
Coconut
No,
Market.
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Short time. And then the following month, on the 17th, I think it was, or no, 27th, we're going to be at Kukuyola Shopping Center.
Okay.
Daytime, Saturday, from 10 to maybe 2 o'clock.
Okay.
And then in May 17th, we're going out to the base. They're going to get one car show up there.
Oh,
and
okay,
they're going to
okay.
give trophies like that.
Okay, yeah, that one usually I go as I...
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I do the big Father's Day car show in June.
Yeah, at the Kukui Grove.
At the Kukui Grove, yeah.
Riley.
Yeah. Talataba used to run around with us.
Yeah, because I drive for the Matsudas.
Oh.
Yeah, he used to drive for them.
Oh,
So,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
My father used to race this car plenty too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But bring your car. We like to see your car. Everybody
Okay.
likes to see your car.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, the thing sound good, man.
Yeah. The thing ran like almost it got 10s, it got like 11 flat.
Oh, it's
yeah.
pretty good. That.
That's 33 small block. Get a little bit nitrous. On the motor he go about like 1180s.
Oh, yeah.
So, good fun on the street.
Constant.
Yeah.
Oh,
My
it's
father
good.
used to win plenty with this car.
Yeah.
So good.
Oh, it's good.
Good fun street. Just drive them. I never did trailer them down too. So
Yeah, us
drive 'em
guys
down.
too. When the PMR friend, freak well, trillium down to it.
Oh, down 5 as
Oh,
I do.
yeah,
So
but-
yeah.
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay.
Gotta go. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
the
just
car
said-
is the main thing.
Yeah.
I hear you going down there. I said, watching you, and
Yeah.
you go straight down. So when I heard you coming up, I said, you know what? I gotta stop. This, you know? Yeah, I had one Camaro too. What are you, 69?
69, yeah. 69
I had that
28.
69, the black one, the Z.
Oh.
Had that cross ram induction.
Oh,
on top
yeah.
of
The
that.
Trail 2.
Yeah, true.
Oh,
too,
yeah. Me, just maintaining one is good enough
Yeah, I
for
know. Oh, hard time too, man.
me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so-
nice talking to you.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
Come down Saturday. if you
Okay,
can. Okay.
yeah.
Then I will call you for the rest.
Okay.
Remind you if you can.
All right.
If you can, you can. You know, can. Is
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
I see you guys.
Okay.
See you.